नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। IIFL समस्ता फाइनेंस की तरफ से एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन 1 दिसंबर को रखा गया। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कैसा रहा।
Venkatesh N, the founder of the company, and then beach में we had to ask IIFL to join us. They bought the company over because we needed to expand. So the company is currently known as IIFL Samasta Finance Limited. The company's portfolio, which I will talk to you all in the subsequent slides, but I'll give you a quick background. The company's portfolio is about 12,200 crores, and we serve close to 25 lakh customers. We want to go to the next level. If we want to increase the number of customers whom we can reach out to, it's good for all of us, the country at large, and West Bengal in particular. All of us know that the people who are living at the bottom of the pyramid is quite substantial, even in West Bengal. There are many companies already doing this noble work of giving finance to those people who are living at the bottom of the pyramid, primarily women. But it is not enough. If I might say, the hunger for credit is far more now. And the opportunities also are plentiful. So opportunities are there for these households which are there at the bottom of the pyramid to come up the curve. And women who are the people at the households struggling to make both ends meet are also ready to take up the challenge of supporting in the financial assistance of the households. So we are ready now to go to the next level of our service to the customers. Increase the branches, increase the number of customers whom we can service. 85% of our portfolio is in microfinance, and about 15% is on individual loans. Those also are people maybe one or two notches above the microfinance segment. We wish to service these customers in the next years as well, and for that I look forward to support from all the people in West Bengal. This launch of our 1000 crore bond issue, which is going to be open on Monday on the 4th of December and be open till the 15th of December, has to be successful because we are talking about impacting lives of people who need the money most. With that, I will start off my presentation. My Bangalore headquarters is Bangalore, and I'm based in Bangalore. But इधर ये काम करने के लिए, ये प्रोग्राम के लिए और ये ऑपरेशंस देखने के लिए कल सुबह आया मैं, और कल सुबह आने के बाद तुरंत मैं सेंटर मीटिंग्स को गया. सेंटर मीटिंग का मतलब जिन्होंने माइक्रो फाइनेंस का बैकग्राउंड पता है ना, तो आई टेक एक 5 मिनट ले रहा हूँ मैं. माइक्रो फाइनेंस कैसा होता? माइक्रो फाइनेंस आर गिवन टू पीपल विद नो श्योरिटी, नो सिक्योरिटी, नो गारंटी, जिनके पास घर के ऊपर छत भी नहीं है उसका. They don't even have a roof over their head to call their own. And still, we are going ahead and giving loans to these kind of members. And they are very prompt in repaying back to us as well. Just because we are giving to these kind of customers who don't have a guarantee or a surety or something to pledge, it does not mean the loans don't get repaid back. They repay it with far more prudence and promptness compared to those customers who have money. हमारा जैसे लोग, ईमानदार लोग, people who have got money, we might default, but those simple people don't default. They are more cautious about their pride, about their respect in society. They are prompt in giving the money back. So we start off by giving a small loan, and then we see their repaying capacity. We make an assessment. RBI has given us all the necessary guidelines. Even recently, about a year back, RBI came up with some fantastic guidelines, very good for the society, very good for the industry, very good for India's economy. When they said, now we can go to all customers who are earning less than 3 lakhs in a year, जिन्होंने 3 लाख के अंदर, 3 लाख के कम अगर उनका इनकम है तो उनको माइक्रो फाइनेंस लोन दे सकता है. इसके पहले खाली 1 लाख अर्बन एरियाज में और 1.5 लाख इन द रूरल एरियाज था. अभी एकदम दे इंक्रीज द काइंड ऑफ बेस. व्हाई? कॉस्ट तो बढ़ रहा है, and to start an income generating activity you need lot more money, and the government and RBI realized that they need to increase this fold of microfinance customers to 3 lakh rupees. So yesterday center meeting में जब गया था मैं, one of the women borrowers in a center meeting, we typically give loans in groups. There are groups of 5 members, 2-3 groups make one center. This is a big center. We don't have such big centers. About 10 people, 15 people usually are a center. So when I went to the center, there was about 20 people in that center, comprising of 4 groups. And typically they welcomed me, and then the CRO, the loan officer, introduced me to them. इन्हें मनोज पसंगा है, ये कंपनी का प्रेसिडेंट CBO है, बेंगलुरु से आया हुआ है, आपके द्वारा ये कैसा हो रहा ऑपरेशन, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है करके देखने के लिए आया है करके वेलकम किया. तुरंत एक आदमी, एक लेडी, शी सेड आई वांट टू एक बात करना चाहिए. आई सेड प्लीज. एंड शी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ शी वाज द वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट बोरोवर्स 4.5 years बैक. एक 4.5 साल पहले दिस लेडी हैड टेकन अ स्मॉल लोन फ्रॉम अस. She gave a background about her household. There was some problem in the house. The husband had unfortunately taken up to alcohol. She had 2 little children. One was a 2-year-old and one was a 4-year-old. And she was speaking in Bengali, and I asked my zonal head, Ritabrata Ghosh, to interpret what she was saying. I can understand, but I can't fully understand. And he was explaining to me how this lady had taken a small loan to buy a sewing machine. Small loan, 25,000 rupees or something, or less than that I think. And she succeeded, she was doing well. And she started making blouses and nighties, she said, house coats, to all the neighbors. Today, 4.5 years later, she has taken 2-3 more loans, and she has got about 5 machines. She proudly asked me to come and see, it was somewhere in the nearby, to come and see those 5 sewing machines. From Monday and open to the 15th. इसके बारे में ऑलरेडी बता चुका है मैं. Assets under management 12,200 crore as of September 30th. What is important is that ये 12,200 करोड़ खाली 1, 2, 3 स्टेट्स में नहीं है. देश का नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, वी हैव कवर्ड द एंटायर कंट्री. 22 states we are operating in. So it is not specific to one state. And we are present in 22 states through 1,485 branches. What is important to notice over here is this. So आज का प्रोग्राम है कि we have as IIFL Samasta, we are now offering up to 1,000 crores via bonds, giving a yield up to 10.5%. So IIFL Samasta, just to give you a quick background, is a company which started about 15 years back. The founders and Venkatesh, and before this company became IIFL Samasta Finance Limited, it was Samasta Finance Limited, and then it was bought over by IIFL. Today the company is about 12,190 crores as of September end. We have been very active in our lending to women, primarily to women who are at the bottom of the pyramid. When I say primarily to women, we are talking about the microfinance loans. Our book comprises 85% of those loans which we are given to women borrowers. These women borrowers take small loans from us. Basically, these loans are used for income generating purposes. I'm very happy to be associated with this company, and the company to be very happy to be associated with all the people in Calcutta, especially those who are living in the fringes of our society. We wish to take this company to the next level, and for that, capital augmentation, branch expansion, business expansion purposes, money is required. And we give an opportunity for investors to join us in this journey of touching the lives of those people living at the bottom of the pyramid. That is the reason we are here, and we are raising these funds through secured bonds.
Your full name and designation?
My full name is Manoj Pasanga. I'm the President and Chief Business Officer of IIFL Samasta Finance Limited, based out of Bangalore.